Ice cream comes in different variants and in different flavors. Today, let's make something different. Let's make mango flavored ice cream. Using this big kind of mango. Of course, any mango of choice is fine. To begin, you'll be needing your whipping cream, and then your sweet mango, very ripe sweet mango, preferably the fleshy kind of mango, so you can have all the flavor you may want, or you can have enough for your ice cream no matter the quantity. After scooping the flesh of the mango out from the skin, blend till it's very smooth and set aside. Next thing is to go in with your whipping cream into a very clean bowl. Add your 1 cup of whipping cream, which comes in powdered form. Add very cold water, emphasis on very cold water. Whisk this using your hand mixer or just your spatula. Whisk until it comes very fluffy, just as you can see in this video. Depending on the speed of your whisker or the movement of your hand, you can just whisk that for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add condensed milk as your sweetener. Go ahead and whisk also until everything is properly combined. Have you tried making ice cream before? Don't be scared, it's really not difficult. With your spatula or your hand mixer, ice cream is made. When you hear catch them young, this is part of it. My son whisking the ice cream because he practically can't wait to lick the homemade ice cream. Most things are better when they are made at home, especially ice cream. It gives a special sweetness and special effects. I will also add that it's very healthy because you know the exact thing you'll be consuming other than licking up lots of sugar. So today I divided my ice cream into 2. Remember, this is just a cup of whipping cream. I added just condensed milk and then allow it to be plain for the kids. And after doing that, I'll take it straight to the freezer. Next is to add the already blended mango into the remaining portion of the ice cream. Also mix it together till everything is well combined, and then transfer into the container or the plate you'll be using to freeze your ice cream. Guys, it's so simple. Once you're done transferring into the plate, cover it and then allow it to freeze 4 to 6 hours or overnight depending on your location. Then guys, our ice cream is ready. This is the plain white ice cream and this is the mango flavored ice cream. Both of them came out very nice and tasted so good. Have you tried mango flavored ice cream? You know mango is in season now, so make use of the opportunity to try something new for your kids. Will you be trying this mango flavored ice cream? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, eat healthy, and see you in my next one. Bye.
Cooking's fun, come take a seat. Welcome to Jen's Tasty Treat. Sweet or savory, every bite. Let's cook together, it feels so right. Jen's Tasty Treat, yum, yum, yum. Flavors for everyone, come, come, come. Easy, tasty, and so neat. You'll love it here at Jen's Tasty Treat. Cooking's fun, come take a seat. Welcome to Jen's Tasty Treat. Sweet or savory,